Hi everyone! No eggs, no dairy, absolutely no butter. Just pure, deep chocolate perfection that comes together in one single bowl. If you think vegan or allergen-friendly cakes are dry, this recipe is about to prove you completely wrong. Trust me, you have to see this texture to believe it. First, whisk the sugar, cocoa powder, and hot water until the sugar is completely dissolved. This ensures a perfectly smooth texture. Pro tip: always sift your cocoa powder. It loves to clump up, and sifting ensures a perfectly smooth, lump-free. Next, add the oil and lemon juice and whisk until smooth. Now sift in the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Whisk just until combined. Remember, you don't want to overmix the batter. I'm using a 26cm round pan lined with parchment paper. By the way, I have made a full tutorial on how to perfectly line any cake pan, so make sure to check that out. Now simply pour the batter into the pan. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius, that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 minutes. Then place the pan on the middle rack and bake for about 35 minutes. Test it with a wooden skewer. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Take the cake out and let it cool completely. You can eat it just like this, but I'm topping mine with a simple chocolate glaze. Once it's cool, pour it right over the cake. Our amazing cake is finally ready. I hope you try it and get lots of positive energy from it. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more easy recipe. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. Happy baking!